This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national-level emergency. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will be speaking shortly over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. We interrupt regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable stations will transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WVUEDT. We will continue to serve the New Orleans area. If you are not in this local area, tune to news stations for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the New Orleans area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. Around 10 minutes ago, there have been multiple reports of the sky going from day to almost pitch black. There have also been reports of a strange and unknown figure in the sky. This figure is very hostile at this moment. You can identify this figure by having the following characteristics: 2 eyes in the middle of its hands, an eye in the middle of its forehead, about 50 feet tall, and has no legs. The figure is attacking anyone it sees with its 2 eyes in its hands, and using a laser beam in the middle of its forehead. People have been claiming that this figure is from the Game area, but it can't be confirmed at this time. For all those that are listening to this message, seek an underground shelter now. Take important supplies with you such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio, preferably one with alert indicators. Please tune into news stations for more information on this dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is an update to the emergency action notification issued around 20 minutes ago. The situation regarding the unknown figure has gotten worse. The eyes in the figure's hands and forehead have popped out and is now attacking more civilians. In addition, the figure has been identified as Moonlord. Moonlord is considered the end boss of the Game area. The figure seems to be unstoppable. For those that are listening to this message, remain in your shelters. This is an emergency action termination. The figure known as Moonlord has been killed. You may now exit your shelter.